Hi there, I'm Lynn from Arrow Sewing, and I'm here to walk you through how to use your two-position manual lift on your brand new sewing table or sewing cabinet from Arrow Sewing. Sewing lifts are the hallmark of our sewing furniture. It's what allows us to sew in that flat bed position, which is what we're all after: happy wrists and happy stitches. Your sewing lift comes set in a free arm position, which means it lays even with the rest of the work surface. To move your sewing lift into the flatbed position, you'll simply rotate the handle and drop the platform. Make sure your sewing machine is not on the sewing platform when you transition your sewing lift. And just like that, you're ready for flatbed sewing. I'm going to grab my sewing machine and place it on the sewing platform or lift, and grab my custom acrylic sewing insert to create that perfectly flush work surface. In the case you have a large sewing machine, you may need to adjust the platform height to achieve a perfectly flush flatbed sewing position. This is an extremely simple process, and we made a quick video available here to help you make that adjustment. For all other questions about your two-position manual sewing lift, please contact Arrow Sewing's customer service team. For information on how to use your three-position hydraulic sewing lift or our luxury electric sewing lift, please check out these videos. Have a great day and happy sewing.